Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'm trying something new and y'all gonna try it with me. Today I'm gonna try my hand at making Cajun Boudin. Okay, so that sound good to you like it sound good to me? Just keep watching. And the only reason I came up with this is because I'm frugal. I got tired of buying Boudin, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna make and stuff my own Boudin. Okay, I already got the meat prepared. I will insert a clip of what I did to the meat so y'all can see what to do. All right, so we got a little bit of water in the pot already, so we're gonna take our roast, our pork roast, put it on up in there. We're gonna take our bell peppers whole, of course, drop it in there with the roast. We're gonna take our shallots whole, drop it in there. And we're gonna take 3 yellow onion, put it on up in there. And make sure you have enough water and it's covering all of it. And when we get it all in there, we're gonna put the top over it, put it on high heat, bring it to a boil, cut it down where it's still boiling. Let the meat go until it starts pulling away from the bone. Now we're gonna go ahead and boil this for a few hours. So you want to do this step first and try to do it as early as possible in the day if you don't have a lot of time, but this is gonna be going for a few hours. All right, okay, take it out the pot and shred it, and then we're gonna start getting everything else going and getting it together. Okay, so let me take the meat out the pan and I'll be right back and I'll show y'all how it looks. Okay, all right. Okay, my people, yeah, as y'all can see, I already took the meat out of the pots. We're gonna keep this broth because we want to cook our rice in that. Okay, but I already took the meat, so now I'm gonna separate it, take a lot of the fat off, throw that away, take the bones out, throw that away, but keep the veggies and the meat, of course. And I'll be right back. So okay, I got my little meat grinder set up. I already started a little bit, but I just want to show y'all how I grind up my little meat. And I put some of the vegetables and the meat in the grinder. Takes forever, y'all. Okay, cut it on. Cut it on full blast so it gets through that. Got my little pan up under there. I think y'all get the gist, so let me finish grinding up my meat and I'll be right back in just a second. All right guys, I went ahead and I took a whole medium yellow onion and ground it up in here too, a fresh one, even though I had some already cooked in. As we are back, y'all remember that good old broth that we saved from cooking our pork in? We about to cook our rice in it now. Okay, it's a lot of rice because it makes a lot of Boudin. But don't forget, everything will be in the description below, so just go ahead, pour all our rice up and now. That was Mama Bear and here's Baby Bear. Right on up in there. I'm gonna do it like this because I thought, that'll give a lot of flavor to that rice. And I like flavor. Don't nobody want no bland Boudin. If you do, that's okay. okay, that's your business. I'm not in your business. But I don't, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and let the rice cook. And I'll be right back in just a minute. Doodles. Whew. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, Boudin is a real time consuming. Yeah, I already cooked off the rice, drained the liquid, and I reserved about 8 cups of that broth just in case I need some moisture to put back in my Boudin to keep it wet, you know, that wet consistency Boudin has. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and I already put the meat in here with the rice after I drained it. I sure did. Let me mix it up just a little bit, just a little bit. It's a lot of it, y'all. Okay, I already blended all the seasonings and I'm putting in here. No worries, I will definitely have everything down below. No worries. Okay, then I'm gonna take my green onion. A lot of green onion. Yes, I have it on the cookie sheet because it's a lot of green onion. And put, well, you know what? Let me mix my seasonings in here a little bit, See, that's what you need the broth for. Let me put a little broth in here. Get it back a little wet. Just a little wet. Okay, and then we're gonna take our green onions and we're gonna put them right in there. Then we're gonna take our parsley. It's a lot of parsley too. Put it right in there. Then we're gonna use big muscle and blend it all real good, okay? And go ahead and taste it to see if you want to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more cayenne pepper, anything in here. See if y'all because some people like more heat than others, so yeah, you might want to go ahead and taste it. Okay, we got that all mixed up, and when I come back we will be stuffing the Boudin casings. Finally. All right. Okay guys, this is how it looks. I went ahead and adjusted my seasonings, of course, with the salt and everything, and now I'm ready to stuff our mixture into the casing. Okay, the casing, you have to be very gentle. Can't believe I decided to do this with these kind of nails, but see, pointy. Very gentle. It's an opening at the end. And you're gonna open it real easy, like, because they're very easy to tear. And then you're gonna carefully put it around the nozzle. Ooh, ooh. And then cut it on and start filling, okay? This is how it's looking. Keep it on medium speed. Don't go any higher because it will bust. And you don't want that. You gotta be real gentle with these casings. This is how it's looking, so I'm gonna finish filling it and I'll be right back in a second. Okay y'all, let me show you the final product because it's done now. Woo, here it is. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, if I can, I will insert a clip of how I cook it and eat it, but if I can't, it will definitely be in another video. So until the next time guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please hit that bell for those post notifications. And if you have any other recipe ideas or anything you want me to try, leave it in the comments, or use the email that I will link below. Okay? Until next time, peace.